baby, dude. We got a baby. Something is good.
Few years.
5 more months. 5 more months, come back.
Yeah. Couple more months and we'll get bigger.
Pero ito
Dropping big time. Look.
Alright guys, so far it's pretty slow over here at Ocean Beach. But right now the water is steady. Not like earlier when you cast it, it'll get dragged right away. But right now we're getting a pretty good action over here. So far they start biting right now. I got one keeper and Jay got one keeper. So you know we here until later on. Today is Super Bowl Sunday, so as now we here and hopefully we can get another crab to take home. Alright, check you guys out in a bit. Keeper.
Keep it back.
Yeah.
Check it out, yo.
That's
Check it out, yo.
6.5. Oh, looks little small.
6.5.
Looks little small. Looks little small. Drew, look. Oh, I told you. I told you. I can measure by eyes, dude.
Ew. Short.
Yeah. I
One
told you.
more.
A little
Couple
small.
more weeks, dude.
See?
Couple more weeks.
Mamaya uli.
No, what are you talking about?
Huh?
Do it again.
Paliitin mo kasi to.
It's right there. Keeper.
No.
5 3/4.
Short.
5 3/4. Right the edge. If you want to get it, ayaw pumasok. Just right at the edge.
This is short.
5 3/4. Oh yeah, it looks kind of scary.
Then look how we got him.
They're here, man. Oh, we got him too, twice.
See, this is where you got it. If you got it right here, that's it. It's
Yeah,
over.
that's where I got mine too.
Now Drew's more bigger.
Yeah.
See? See? Hella small.
Hella small.
You have it there?
Oh yeah. I love meat. I got 2. Oh shit. I get wet, brother. Shit. Yeah.
Oh man.
Oh man. I lost it, brother. No, I didn't.
there.
No, too small. Oh, you got that? The video? Oh,
my.
backing up.
Oh my.
Killing it, bro. Shit. No, too small.
Undersized. Little baby.
You see?
Little baby.
Oh yeah. Next week.
Wait lang.
Kasi dito ako nabasa eh. Dito.
He's gonna go under.
Baka pa ako.
Right. Gonna wait for another high tide. Waiting for a high tide. It's good.
Pasala tong pa ako. Sabi ko,
Doon na tayo.
pasala. Mami, nasa Hawaii na tayo nito. Makikita mo, tig-tig-tig-tig-tig. Nagsasayaw na sila.
Narinig ko na Mexico eh.
Welcome to Holoa. Sabi ko, pasa na rin to eh. Paano go over there? I'm not gonna catch nothing over here. Dahil ba ito? Takit. Oh, shit.
Oh, yeah. Oh, snare ko, nasa sand na pala. Wala nang tubig.
Okay lang dito mag-swimming tanaw.
Dala na yung anak mo dyan, malang pag-swimming eh.
I know. Oh, in the ocean. Oh, shit. Hey, crab walk. Gagawin.
Slow down, dude.
Yup. Mababa na kasi yung tubig eh. Earlier, I snapped my snare, right?
Oh, you did?
Sabi ko kay Jason, let me go find it out. I found it all the way over there, dude. I got it back. Oh, great. Oh, man. Oh, man. They're small. Oh, the other one's big.
That's the keeper right there, the male one.
All right. One female, one male. Hopefully, the other one's the keeper.
That's smoke.
That's the baby one right there.
Yeah, I think that one's the keeper.
This one's the keeper for sure.
Tingin mo.
Nah, that's too baby.
Nah.
This one's the keeper.
You can measure it if you want. It's got that sting in it.
Yep. Keeper. Only one. Ooh, okay. Spicy, huh? Huh, spicy. Spicy, huh? Okay. Okay. All right.
You wanna throw this one?
Huh?
I'll bring it over.
Yeah.
That's a nice one. Nice size.
As soon as I made it, I knew
So you still moving out?
I don't know. I don't know, man.
This guy is about to move to another spot over there,
Where it's hot.
but he has got his big crab here.
Oh.
So, move or stay?
Maybe.
That's a good catch though. Oh, yeah, that's what's up, guys. Yep. Let's see.
Might be close.
No, that's oversized. That's oversized.
Oh yeah. 6.
A little bit. Woo!
6.
Yep, 6. Nice. Good catch.
Ooh, this is what it's all about, baby.
Yep.
I knew it. As soon as I walk over here.
So, I rebait my snare. Yep. Let's go. Recast this thing.
I can't wait to get my waterproof suit. I thought I was fucking Aquaman. I thought I was Aquaman, brother.
Alright. Let's go, fellas. Let's cast this out. Oh, make sure. There you go. Let's go catch this out. Seems like the crab is here. Go a little bit closer where I can cast pretty far. With this, I'm having a hard time casting with this 12-foot ugly stick. It is not my rod. Don't recommend this. Not enough handle for you to grab so you can cast it far. But hey, whatever works right now. Right. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There's one over here. There's one over here. Come on, let's go. Over here.
Oh yeah.
Woo, baby!
Cage breaker. That's a cage breaker, dude. That's bigger than one I have. That's nakita mo yung ano niya, yung
lalaki ng mga legs, no?
yeah.
Yeah.
Gusto na lang mamaya pag-uwi ko. Not right now. Shit.
Damn.
That's almost 7 inches.
She's on a steroid. Oh shit. Basa na to.
Why the freaking wings hanging out his leg?
That's a clean crab too.
Yeah.
Walang barnacles.
Alright, we're about to go home, but Drew hook up with one. I think it's undersized.
Undersized, dude. Pretty close.
Oh, that's big.
It's not.
Big.
It's big.
Let me
Wow.
see.
Hey, man.
About 5 3/4.
Oh, that's
That's close.
close.
Yeah.
That's close. Maybe.
I think it's a keeper.
Lift it up.
Not really. It's close. Really, really close.
Ayaw niyang bitawan yung kinakain niya, oh.
Sabi niya, wrong
Not done
size. Wrong size.
Not done yet.
Ooh, looks like a keeper.
Shit,
It is. It is.
Looks like a keeper. Looks like a
6
keeper.
inch. 6
Let's
inch.
go. Let's go.
6 inch.
Oh, you. That's good, man.
That's
Yahoo!
It rubs. It rubs. When it rubs, you're good.
Yeah. Damn.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Number
You
4.
sure you want to go home?
Number 4.
You sure you want to go home?
Number 4.
I
What time
can't
is Super
spend
Bowl?
all day. The Super Bowl's already
no,
going.
I'll watch the commercial tomorrow.
You
I mean,
already
the
started?
rerun.
You already started? Like the second leg? Freaking long.
This guy is a beast. He doesn't want to let go. He just want to. There's Ernesto's 10-ounce crab snare. I think it's my 8th crab today. 4 keepers. Hey, I can't complain. I can't complain.
Alright guys, that's it for us here at Ocean Beach. We did pretty good. It's a lot of undersized. I got a 3 keeper. I got 3 keepers. Jason got 2 keepers. So we did pretty good over here. Ocean Beach, and that's it. We out of here. Yep. Till next time, thanks for watching my video, and I'll check you guys next time. We out of here.